Hi guys, this is Chris with the Middleman LLC. We have another item for sale on eBay. It's the Brother Correcto Ball XLI. Alright, as you can see, I have it plugged in over here. I'm going to go ahead and just give it a quick test. It is partially working. I'm going to show you exactly what it does. So here we go. On. Let me move this. I took this off, okay? It goes here. Alright, so on. Okay, now what I've noticed is this space bar moves that, okay? So that works, all right? Works pretty good. Now the keys, the numbers, the letters, they're not doing anything. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I really couldn't tell you. I've tried pushing everything there is, but the enter, see that? That works. The plus, the space bar works. Some of the other buttons like tab, that works. I can't get this to type. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Perhaps you could tell me a fix, or maybe there's a lever, or, you know. But that's what it does. I just wanted to make a video, show you that some of the buttons work, and it does turn on. However, the keys are not typing. I don't know. Thank you, guys.